just got a package, proudly made in the USA, from Overland Gear Guy. Can't wait to see what this is. I think I got a good idea. Let's check this thing out. Pouches. Let's see. Oh, that's bright. Nice. Overland Gear Guy decal. Lifetime warranty. We make quality, durable gear that we stand behind 100%. We back our products with a lifetime workmanship warranty. Nice. Thank you, Rob. Let's see what we've got here. Ron, I think this is the best part of it. Let's get rid of that. So if I'm not mistaken, this new bag is called the GPC Tool Bag. It was specifically designed to fit this front access panel for the Goose Gear platform behind the passenger seat. So we're gonna load this thing up, and clearly with no tools in it and whatnot, may not slide right down in there, but wow, nice bag. Nice quality bag. Nice quality bag. Got a Velcro strip in the bottom, so these bags must have, yep, Velcro along the entire bottom of each bag, it looks like. Slip pouches on the ends of the bag, on both ends, nice. We've got a full-length zipper here in the front. Nice place for small stuff. And if I'm not mistaken, I saw one in the back as well. Yes, nice. And probably a good place for maps, instructions, whatever. Entire lid, nice, very, very nice. So let's see. What's going on with these bags? Nice black interior. Great idea, because the tools are going to make them pretty crummy. Perfect size, Rob. Nice. I think this thing's going to work out perfectly. Now I'm just stuffing these bags in here, clearly with tools and all my gear inside of them. They will seat in there a little bit nicer, I'm sure. What a great size. If I'm not mistaken, this bag, I might have written it down here, let's see, is 15 by 11 by 8.5 roughly. And like I said, it was specifically designed to fit in this front passenger side cubby of the Goose Gear platform. And look at that. Rob, perfect. Very, very nice setup. And great place for the tools. Thank you. I'll get the bag loaded up and show some more features of it, or just how it stores. And I actually think I may just leave the bag in here as the just to keep it from rattling around and my tools from being all over the interior of my rig. But very, very nice setup, Rob. Very nice setup. Thank you.